What's up, YouTube? Anyways, reactions here, and welcome to Cody's Handcuffs. So, as you can see by the thumbnail, Cody got handcuffs with Junior. And if y'all don't know, Cody is gay. This freak. So, I don't really see where this could go. But, let's get right into it.
Sorry guys, that's my stomach. I ate a 12-inch hot dog without chewing it, and now my stomach's all messed up.
Well, why don't you use the bathroom?
Yeah, I guess I'll do that. I'm gonna be in there for a while. Could you watch Ken and make sure he doesn't eat any fast food? He's trying to ruin his figure, and I won't let him.
Wow.
Okay, we'll make sure he doesn't eat any fast food.
Of course you won't let him.
I'm tired of Cody and his stupid dog.
Everybody is.
He's not gonna eat fast food. He can't eat anything. He's not even real. I know. Ken, no.
How? How did we get McDonald's?
Behind the couch.
How did we get McDonald's though? Like, where did that come from?
Yeah, he's useless anyway. Look at all this room now. I know, right? No stupid dogs in the way. I'll eat the cheeseburger. Yeah, me too. Joseph, these French fries are really good. I know, right, dude?
Guys, that dump I just took, I felt all 12 inches of it. Wait, where's Ken?
What?
And why is there
What?
McDonald's here? You didn't let him eat it, did you?
No, Cody, we didn't let Ken eat the stupid McDonald's, and he went, ooh, I think he went outside, dude.
Yeah.
Ken went outside.
Why is he outside?
Outside.
Vicious bear outside.
He definitely walked outside.
Oh, that's not a big deal. Ken wrestles bears all the time.
Well, actually, I think it was two bears. Oh, yep, two. It was two of them. Two bears. Mm-hmm.
Well, it might be a challenge for him, but I'm sure he can handle it.
Well,
Wow.
it was three bears. Oh, yeah, three's the lucky number. Yeah,
wait, three bears, Junior?
Yeah, three, and they were really angry because someone ate their porridge and slept in their beds.
Ah, shit! Oh my God, Junior! Those bears killed Goldilocks. What if they killed Ken too?
Wow.
I don't know. I mean, I heard plastic
Bringing this
crunched
back.
on, so, yeah, I think he got killed.
Oh no, Junior, we have to call the police.
Calling the police for a doll. It's a
Junior,
doll.
we have to call the police because there was a murder.
Yeah, murder.
Junior, I'm gonna go call the police.
He
right
can't
now.
die. Like, he's immortal.
No.
Yes, officer. My boyfriend was murdered by bears.
No, he wasn't.
No, he
I
wasn't.
can't do this. Junior, you tell him I'm going back to the bathroom. He's a dog, dude.
Yes, please. That was a breach.
Watch his stupid doll while he was in the bathroom, so we threw his doll behind the couch and we lied to him and said he was eaten by bears. Cause he's a doll.
So nobody actually got murdered?
No, it's just a stupid plastic doll, and no one was murdered.
Yeah, somebody was murdered. My time that I can't get back.
Wow.
Well, I guess I won't be needing these anymore. Yeah, I didn't even have the key for them anyway. Yup.
Oh
Anyway,
my God.
if you need me, I'm gonna be on vacation for like a week. So if you call 911, no one's gonna answer because I'm the only cop or doctor there is.
Wow.
Bye.
Y'all better not break a leg or murder someone.
No, he said it wasn't worth his time.
What? It's a murder.
Cody, we're just joking. Ken's fine.
He is?
Yeah, we threw him behind the couch to screw with you.
Why would you do that, Junior? Yeah, dude. You guys are dicks, and not the long, throbbing, good kind.
Oh my God. This man, Cody.
Junior, I don't see Ken behind the couch.
What? You don't see Ken behind the couch?
No.
What, are you blind?
No.
Yeah, you are, because you need glasses.
I'm wearing glasses, and I don't see him back there.
All right, Cody, so if I look behind the couch and I find Ken, you have to admit that you're stupid and blind.
Okay, sure.
All right, I'm going to look for him. Huh. He's not back there, Cody.
Yeah, I know, Junior. Where is he?
I don't know. Joseph, didn't I throw Ken behind the couch?
Yeah. Yeah, you did, but
There's my witness.
But he's
there
not
actually
back
has
there
been
right now.
a
Junior, where's he
murder.
at?
Well, I don't know. Maybe a roaming black hole just appeared and caught him in midair and took him to another dimension.
A black
Wow.
hole, Junior, really? It only picked up Ken and nothing else?
Well, maybe
Yep.
it's like a rip in space and time. Like, ooh, like those things in Fortnite, you know, where you jump in and it spawns you at the top of the map? That's what happened. He jumped in one of those.
Yeah.
Wow.
The thing from Fortnite, yeah.
Definitely. It has to be Fortnite,
You
guys.
lost him.
I didn't lose him. I threw him behind the couch. Whatever happened to him after that, it's his fault.
Junior, you're gonna find him because you're the one that lost him.
Cody, I'm not going to look for your stupid doll. Look, tomorrow's our first day of third grade. I'm not going to stay up all night looking for a stupid
First
doll.
day of third grade. Good job, Bowser Jr.
For a stupid doll. You're going to look for a doll? No, I'm not. I'm not going to
Did
look for no stupid
what?
doll. Yeah. Yeah.
What?
Cody, what are you doing?
Handcuffed us together, Junior.
Dude, what?
is gonna help you find Ken.
How's it gonna help me find Ken?
Well, because, Junior, I don't have the key to the handcuffs.
You don't have a key, so how am I gonna get him off?
The key to the handcuffs are in Ken's pants. I always keep a spare handcuff key in his pants in case we get arrested. So if you find Ken, you find the key.
What if we never find
Wow.
Well, looks like we're just gonna have to be stuck together forever, Junior.
Ken? We can't do that. We have school.
Yo.
Like this.
Oh.
I'm surprised about Junior actually wants to go to
We
school.
have school tomorrow. We can't go to school handcuffed together. Just Cody, we have to get these off.
Well, Junior, there's really nothing I can do. The key really is in Ken's pants. We have to find him now.
Oh.
Okay, so we gotta find
Wha-
Ken.
oh
Joseph,
my
help
God.
us find Ken.
Search party?
I'm gonna get ready for school. Joseph.
Of course, Joseph Lee. Never around for nothing.
Let's check behind the couch. Come on.
Oh, okay.
All right, Cody, do you see your stupid doll?
No. Are you sure you threw him behind the couch?
Are you sure you threw him behind the couch? You sound like you're stupid. I threw him behind your mom's couch.
Junior, what?
Look behind the video. Like, you'll just see it.
And
Like,
now he's missing.
Well, things don't just disappear into thin air, Junior. He has to be around here somewhere.
Unless he fell under the Fortnite thing.
No, Junior, no.
it was definitely Fortnite, guys. It had to be.
If we want handcuffed together.
Yeah, I agree.
So let's get the handcuffs off first, and then we can both look for Ken and go into like two different directions.
Well, how are we gonna do that, Junior? The
Nice.
kid's pants.
Well, maybe we can cut this off with like a spatula or like a wrench or something.
Go look for Jeffy's.
You can try that.
He'll do it.
Jesus, almost ready.
Oh my God. What is that?
Grilled cheese?
Well, like burnt cheese. Fucking got him.
Shut me, look. Me and Cody are handcuffed together.
Yeah.
You cut the handcuffs off. I can't do nothing about that. The handcuffs are made of steel. Well, Shippy, what are we gonna do? We have school tomorrow. Well, you guys better get very comfortable together because I can't do nothing about it. How
Wow.
am I gonna take a shower?
Thanks, Chef
I
Pee-Pee.
really don't see a problem there.
How am I gonna use the
Oh man.
I don't see a problem with that either, really.
Well, Cody, we have to get these handcuffs off. What are we gonna do?
Yeah, of course you
Is
don't.
that the actual time? Junior, I have to get home. I have a curfew.
You have a curfew. I'm not going back to your house, Cody.
Junior, if my parents find out I'm not home, I'm gonna get grounded and you won't see me for months.
What's wrong with that?
Go to your house for like a few minutes, but we have to come back here because this is where Ken is.
Okay, fine. Come on, Junior. Okay, we have to be really quiet. I'm not supposed to have boys over.
Okay. That's it.
Wow.
I'm sick and tired of you using me and cheating.
Shh. Come on.
That's it, Tyrone. I want a divorce. You cheated on me.
Baby, you overreacted. That was just my sister.
Well, you don't
What?
kiss her on the mouth like that.
Baby, I haven't seen her in years.
Well, then why was she rubbing on your pants?
Because I spilled grape juice on my pants.
Well, then why was she taking off her clothes?
Because she wanted me to wear her clothes because she don't want me wearing grape juice pants.
Ooh, I don't think they saw us, Junior.
What?
It was getting really heated out there.
What?
Yeah, my dad kind of likes to cheat on my mom.
A lot.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, Cody, what's that picture right there?
Oh yeah, that's a photo of me.
Oh
when I
my
went to the beach
God.
last week.
A photo.
Yeah, Ken snapped a pic of me while I was sleeping. It's not even really my best picture, but I like it because you can see my 8-pack.
What, 8-pack?
Yeah, you can count it if you want. Oh, wait.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yep,
Huh.
we're all there.
8-pack.
So that's a real picture?
That's
Oh,
photoshopped.
yeah,
That
that's,
I mean, that is
I can show you if you
100%
want, but I have to turn off
photoshopped.
the lights.
Like, you guys can look at.
Cody, is there any way you can get these handcuffs off right now?
Well, I have a bunch of lube we could use.
Look, nigga.
Loot?
My dad's coming. Hide under the sheets.
Okay. Little nigga, can you believe your mama got mad at me because I kissed another woman?
Well, yeah.
I mean, yeah.
Look, little nigga, are you gonna wear the same pair of sneakers your whole life?
No, Dad.
See, because them sneakers
Wow.
get dirty, wrinkly, saggy titties, you gonna want some more sneakers? Look, I wear a bunch of sneakers. I wear different pairs.
Wow.
I love sneakers.
Yeah, I don't really agree with you, but I think I understand that.
So you understand?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about, son. Hey, yo, ho! Look, our son agree with me. I can try on all the bitches I want.
I didn't say that.
Yeah, he did it.
Whoa, Cody, your dad's really scary.
Yeah, he gets like that. Junior, my mom's gonna get back under the sheet.
Really?
Look, Cody, I really hate you, Daddy, and I really want to get a divorce, but I'm afraid he's gonna try to kill me if I leave. So when you go to school tomorrow, tell your teacher to call the police because your mommy needs some help, okay? Okay, Mom. All right, now I have to go be Daddy's pair of boots because he likes to drag me through the mud.
Oh my
Make sure he's
God.
still breathing in the morning.
Cody, is your mom serious? Is your dad gonna kill her?
No, Junior, she says that every night.
Oh,
What? It's not
What?
gonna do it.
All right, Cody, I want
what?
No, Junior, if you think they're mad now, you should see them when I'm not here. It's so much worse.
I just don't like your house, Cody. It's weird and it's... Come on, let's get these handcuffs off.
No, Junior, we have school in the morning. We should just go to sleep and figure it out tomorrow.
But what if we don't figure it out tomorrow when we go to school?
Don't go to sleep in this man's bed.
Okay?
Fine,
Don't do
okay,
it.
How are we gonna sleep?
Don't do it.
You know, us.
What's that gonna do?
You're right. I don't know. Just you look that way. I'll look this way.
Okay.
Oh my god.
What?
Stop it. You go that side.
Oh my god. How long did the scene take?
I'm actually pretty okay with this.
No, I'm not sleeping like this.
Yeah. Of course you're okay with that.
Cody. There's noise.
Someone. What? Oh my.
I'm hiding from my husband. He's trying to kill me.
Where you at, ho?
Okay.
Oh.
Good night.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Look, nigga, I know your ass still ain't in bed. Get up and get ready for school. What the hell?
Yeah, time to go to school, Junior.
Well, I'm not going to school like this, Cody.
Junior,
Yeah.
we can't miss the first day of school.
Well, yeah, we can. We're sick or something.
Junior, I have a perfect record. Do not mess this up for me.
Well, what's the teacher going to say when he sees us handcuffed together?
Well, we'll just try to hide it, Junior. Maybe you won't notice.
Yeah, just yeah. Put a bag on both your hands
We're not, Junior.
somehow.
Shut up. Play it cool. Maybe he won't notice.
All right, class. Welcome back to school. I hope you all have a good summer.
Hey,
I
Jackie
went
Chu.
to China and visited my family. We eat a lot of cat and dog. Cat dog. Cat dog.
Oh, I love that show.
Anyway, I'm gonna call roll now. Cody, hey, no sharing seats. Go back to your seat.
I actually can't go back to my seat because Junior and I are dating.
What? No, we're not.
Yes, we are. Junior and I are dating, and we want to hold hands all day in his seat. And also, it's 2018, so we
What?
can be as gay as we want.
Oh, it's okay if you're gay, if you like weenie. But if you really like weenie, why don't you kiss each other in front of the whole crowd?
That's gay, dude. I'm not kissing you, Cody.
Yes, you are, Junior. We have to prove we're dating. Now put your tongue in my mouth.
What?
We haven't
No.
had our first kiss yet, so I think we should save it for a more appropriate time. Not
Yeah.
But Junior,
Yeah.
He said we had to kiss, and he's the teacher. We have to listen to the teacher. Teacher, to tell him we have to kiss.
Unless you know gay, unless you know like weenie, and if you know like weenie, then you go back to your seat.
Oh
All right,
no.
Junior, you heard your-
Oh
Come
no.
on, that doesn't count. What am I, your grandma? Come on, somebody tell me that doesn't count. Teacher,
Yeah, it
teacher,
does.
back me up here. Come on, that was a peck.
No, that no count. I didn't even see it.
Oh my god.
Thank you, teacher.
Wow.
He said it didn't count. Now this time I want you to give me a little bit of tongue and then bite me just to sell it.
A little bit of tongue
Junior,
and
I
a
don't make
bite.
rules. Now you bite my bottom lip and chew it like Hubba Bubba.
No.
Dude, this is so gay.
I'd be recording that too.
Ah, shit! That's a fire alarm class. All right, everyone get out and let you in a permit death.
Oh, come on.
Yes.
Fire alarm? I bet it's not even a real fire. Come on,
Oh yeah, it is. It's a real fire. It's definitely real fire. Oh yeah, it's definitely, and I repeat, definitely a real fire. It's definitely a real.
Never been so blue.
I'm glad they pulled it.
Well, actually, I can't wait for school tomorrow, Junior. There's no telling what he's gonna make us do next.
Oh my god. Please don't let this man.
Junior, where else could he be?
I have no idea. What? Choppy?
Oh. So he didn't go to
On the
Fortnite.
back of the couch.
Maybe we can. Ew, there's bite marks all over him. Oh, wait, those are from before. Yeah.
Oh,
What?
get the key.
What?
Don't
You two be
touch Kevin,
doing?
especially not right there. Now, Junior, I have a confession to make.
Well, get the key.
There is no key, Junior. These are not the police officer's handcuffs. These are my handcuffs. They're just toy handcuffs.
What?
Yep, they just come right off.
So you got to take it off
What?
the moment?
Yeah, I just wanted to spend some quality time with you. So.
Oh
see
my
what's going on,
god.
Junior? Come on, Ken.
This man. Yo. Why? Who would do that? You know what? Who is the worst person you could be handcuffed to? Type that down in the comments below. Type that down in SNL's comments and everything. Thank y'all for watching. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Like and subscribe. Yeah.